The Keystone Springdale has been around for decades and is, pardon the pun, a key member of the Keystone line of towable RVs. You'll find the Springdale line has a lot more amenities than you would expect in an introductory RV line, and something you definitely wouldn't expect, a ton of floor plan options. Before we hit a select set of Springdale floor plans to highlight, let's take a look into some sweet Springdale features. Let's start inside a Springdale single axle and see what features you'll find to complement you and your camping family's needs. Inside a Keystone Springdale single axle, you'll be comfortable with a minimum 8,000 BTU side mount AC, with most coming with a 13,500 BTU roof mount AC. Soothe your eyes with easy LED lighting and lounge in the comfy bed or on the teddy bear bunk mattresses. You'll find a surprising amount of interior storage with cabinets above the kitchen area and wardrobe closets. The kitchen is set for camping with a 2-burner cooktop, a 6 cubic foot fridge in some models, and microwave oven. For entertainment, you're all set with a Boss portable Bluetooth speaker system, a place to put in a TV, plus cable TV hookup with booster. On the exterior, Springdale single axles have an awning so you can lounge without getting sunburnt. You'll also find stabilizer jacks to keep your Springdale from rocking, a one-piece fully walkable TPO roof, Dexter Easy Lube axles, diamond plate rock guard, spare tire, and extended rain gutters. The Springdale dual axle and fifth wheel models have a ton of similarities, so we're going to do a double feature combo for you. Let's check out what's fabulous in the interior first. Stay comfy during the peak camping season with the 13,500 BTU ducted AC that runs sweet, cool air through tough lock crush-resistant ductwork couplers. Stay comfy on cushy furniture, including a jackknife sleeper sofa you'll find on most models. Most models will also have an electric fireplace, and all will have in-floor heating ducts. The Springdale kitchen has everything you need to make fabulous camp meals. You'll find a Furion oven with glass top and LED lights, range hood with light and exhaust fan, upgraded pressed countertops with a single basin undermount sink, solid hardwood cabinetry, and a 10.7 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. Entertainment comes easy with a Bluetooth stereo with all-weather exterior speakers, external TV hookup, bedroom TV prep, cable TV hookup, and it's 4G LTE and Wi-Fi ready. Make it easy to control light, slides, and more with the central monitoring panel. The Springdale exterior also has some camp-friendly features. Protect yourself from the elements with the LED adjustable power awning, and keep your Springdale protected from elements and critters with one-piece propylene heated and enclosed underbelly. Set up camp quickly by getting your Springdale steady using the power tongue jack and power stabilizer jacks on the dual axle travel trailers and the power stab jacks on the fifth wheels. And as we all know, camping is all about availability of storage. You'll find a ton of storage in the mega pass-through storage compartment. Other features you'll take comfort in knowing you have are the spare tire and carrier, backup camera prep, and the color-coded unified wiring system so you can find the short, hopefully without causing another one. Keystone has created Springdale single axle floor plans for both the family and for a couple. Let's highlight a few. For a family, the Springdale 1800BH is a sweet bunkhouse designed to comfortably sleep 5. It has stacked twin bunks and a surprising amount of counter space. As for Springdale single axles focusing on the camping couple, you'll find the all-new 1740RK that can sleep 3. You'll get a lot of countertop, a dinette in a slide-out, and a Murphy bed up front to use as a sofa during the day. Unique, the 1860 SS has a larger than normal living area slide-out, a jackknife sofa, a pantry, and the ability to sleep up to 4. There are a ton of Springdale dual axle models available for the RV-loving family as well as the camping couple. For the family, we're talking bunkhouses. Here are a few of the most popular Springdale bunkhouse models. The 240 BHWE is a West Coast model with double-over-double bunks, a slide-out containing a very large U-dinette that sits beside a fireplace, and a main bedroom made private by a sliding door. The 240 BHWE can sleep up to 8. The 260BH, aka the 260 TBWE on the West Coast, is a traditional bunkhouse floor plan. Sleeping 8, this model has double-over-double bunks, a jackknife sofa, and a private bedroom up front. The 298BH and its West Coast counterpart, the 298BH-WE, has a large slide-out, a fireplace, a private bedroom up front, and a private bunk room in the back. You'll also find an outside kitchen. The 298BH can sleep up to 9. For the camping couple, among the many Springdale floor plans to choose from, you'll find the popular 202RD, aka the 202QBWE on the West Coast. This floor plan has a huge U-dinette on the back wall, a split kitchen, and a centered queen bed. The 202RD can accommodate 4 sleepers. The 274RB is another great one and can sleep 5. It has a very spacious rear bathroom, a large slide-out, a fireplace, private bedroom, and an outdoor kitchen. For the camping chef, check out the Springdale 293RK. You'll find a massive inverted J-shaped kitchen dominating the back, a large slide-out, a fireplace, a pair of recliners, and a spacious bedroom. Plus, the 293RK can sleep 5. As for fifth wheels, you'll find the Keystone Springdale has accommodated the camping couple with the Springdale 302FWRK that can sleep 6. The back wall is all kitchen with tons of countertop space, including a peninsula. The living area has opposing slide-outs and a pair of sofas. Up front, the spacious bedroom has a split wardrobe and linen closet slide-out. As for the RVing family, you have the popular 340FWBH, which can sleep up to 7. You'll find a private bunk room, large master bedroom, a slide-out facing a fireplace and entertainment center that actually swings out to expose the pantry, and it has an outdoor kitchen. What you get out of a new Keystone Springdale is everything that's put into it. The Keystone Springdale line gives you a ton of floor plan options in both travel trailers and fifth wheels, so you'll easily be able to find a Keystone Springdale to fit you and your family's RVing needs.